Well, you've got the very big players who are just known to be big. In fact, I think you really only have two big players that I'm aware of, that the market is aware of. You've got IG and Saxo. Saxo are very well known in Europe. You then have a lot of more FX-centric players who just focus on FX. Some of those are the US firms, and they are just seen as FX companies. They certainly don't attract customers trading other products. ETX is sitting in that middle range at the moment. We're not seen as one of the big players. We're certainly seen as one that has been around a lot longer. And I think we're in that second tier of providers in terms of size. How we're perceived as a company, I think we've got a good reputation in terms of customer service. That's always been important to us. We promote the fact that we have multiple platforms, and we promote the fact that we have a wide asset class range. And I think we're probably seen as a good, solid, UK-based, safe and secure company. We're going to try and use the best of those pluses and take that to Europe. And in fact, one thing we have found more recently is that being seen as a UK, London-based company is a good thing, no matter where you are in the world. It's seen to be a safe place to operate. People seem to think being London-based means that you have better corporate governance, you've got a good, tough regulator, and you'll get fair pricing. And I think that's a great thing for the UK and a great thing for London. We're really trying to build on that foundation. We are an outsourcer of technologies. We do control some central parts of our technology here in-house, but we actually strongly believe in letting specialists do what specialists should do. So we outsource a lot of our front-end web development to some very clever design people. We outsource some of our trading platforms to third parties so that we can effectively get innovation at a more cost-effective price. In terms of some of the clever tools in terms of digital marketing, we use third-party technologies. So I would say that we are more an outsourcer, although there's certain bits of technology that you always want to control. You always want to control your customers, who your customers are. That sort of IP is important to have in-house. But I don't think in this new day and age of technology, you want to be too set in your ways about building your own tech team. Companies like some of the bigger players in our industry do control their entire supply chain. I don't think we've reached that scale yet to be able to do that. Becoming more and more difficult in an industry where there are lots of players. It goes back to the basics, really. We've been around for 10 years. We're FCA regulated. We have good corporate governance. We have a high net worth business, which means we treat our customers very well. We have good levels of customer service, multiple platforms, so that every type of customer can find the right product for them. And then I think just the whole package, we're not seen as a fly-by-night broker. We're seen as a company that's been around a while, plans to be around a while, gives good pricing, good leverage, and good customer service. We're launching 2 new products in the next month or so. The first one is a sort of slimmed down version of our current multi-asset platform. This will be to target the more retail customer who is looking to have a bit more fun on the platform. And then we're also looking to offer binary options. So come January, new customers will come to a website that gives them 4 options. We'll lay out exactly which of those options suits them best and then give them the choice.